This is Logan Thurman, and this is the fourth video of the final presentation for Beach Hero. So I chose to do the state design pattern for my other pattern that we were required to use. It was for the volleyball. So as you can see over here where my cursor is, you can see that I have several states. I can show it in my so you have the three states. You have shooting, exploding, and done. Each one of them uses go next, which just sets the state to the next, whatever the next state would be. So like in this case, like shooting would set it to exploding, and then exploding would set it to done. Inside of volleyball, it uses the void function called go next state, which just does the same thing as say go next. It just sets the state to whatever that is supposed to be. So here's how I'm changing the state right here. This is just checking to see if anything's collided or whatnot, or if the volleyball has gotten close to the distance or close to where the cursor was at, and then it would change the state. If that isn't the case, then it just keeps moving until it reaches that. Once it actually upstates the state, then it will go to the next state, which is exploding. And then what it will do then is it will increase the size until it is to the max size, which I think is it's 25. So it will go until then, and then it will go to the next state, which is done, which just it gets rid of it. So, and then during that, while the size is pretty much equal to the max size, it draws the explosion animation over the top of it. And so shooting, I pretty much just have it set here to where it sets the to the exploding. Same thing with exploding, just sets it to the done, and then done just sets it to null, and it tells it it's done. So here you just have the standard go next. In the volleyball, you have it to where it has the go next state, which just sets. It just uses go next, which was defined in the interface here. It uses that to tell the state to go to the next state. Which, say if it's shooting, it would go to exploding. If it's exploding, it would go to done. And if it's done, it goes to null. So it's the same thing this right here does. It just sets whatever state you are wanting it to go to. So if you want to go to exploding, you would send, so like here, you'd go here and you'd go context set state, and you'd want to set that state to the exploding. Go back here, and then you can kind of see that it does explode. Try to hit this person. Explodes.